What's up everyone, it's your boy Tankian the Man here. Welcome to the second video of Tankian Desk, Tankian Mod, Desk Mod, call it whatever you want. I'm really excited to show you this second video. It took me a lot of time to receive the plate, but when I received it, I started to work on it, on the case, and well, I'm on the future because everything that you guys will see in the video is already done. So I didn't even have time to start the video, the beginning of the video, so I'm doing it right now. But I'm really excited. Everything is going really well. It's flowing really well. So I hope you guys understand everything that I've done. I hope you guys can see almost everything, because sometimes I'm cutting, I'm doing something and I realize I'm not recording. It's really hard, trust me. And when I'm motivated with something, I forgot about the camera. Yeah, you know how things are. But so let's see it. Hope you guys like it and enjoy. So now that you guys saw what I've done, give me your thoughts on the comments. I'm really anxious to see what you have to say about the project, what you think about the idea, how everything is coming together. In my opinion, really well, but let me know what do you think about it. I'm really excited and anxious to see what you guys have to say about it. So, you saw me working on the fans, and I want to clarify that. My idea in the first place was, you know, place 3 fans here on this spot and 3 here on the back and 3 here on the front. But then I realized, well, I need to have some cooling for the power supply, some air flowing around here, the motherboard, the graphics card, even the SSDs, and I start to think that I should have fans here on the middle. But having, more fans intaking and less outtaking is not really balanced. So I decided to go for 2 in each side and 2 in the middle, intaking the air, and 3 on each side, outtaking the air. So basically we have this kind of flow, air going through the middle and then to the sides, creating some airflow here on the motherboard and graphics card area. I'm really happy, as I was saying, and I'm really excited. I've been live streaming today, and this is last day before I edit the video, and I'm having even more ideas, and that's always a good thing. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the project. Hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe for more, follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Follow me on Facebook mostly because I'm doing a lot of live streams. But yeah, follow me on that networks. I'm Tankian the Man, and see you on the next one.